So guys, we're showing how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing. There's a lot of ways to do this, but let's start with the free ways, which is using Google Sites. So using Google Sites, you can come here, you can pick the templates here, or you could just create blank and just drag and drop it on your own. You can use this landing page for basically anything. It's not, I wouldn't say it's like, I won't say it's like it's better than ClickFunnels, but it's basically a free alternative to ClickFunnels. So let's say, for example, you're advertising a weight loss product, your pay title, like weight loss program. I just want to show you guys how it looks like. Then you input the site name here. Let's say weight loss. You understand it? You can add your logo here. You can change the image, the background image, but we don't need to do that now. You can change the header type to many ways. As you can see here, you can input the text box, images, kind of like import the images like the reviews you want to be on the landing page. That is, you cannot afford to use WordPress and all. As you can see here, you can, more features, table of content, image carousel, displaying. When you add an image carousel, basically you want to upload images of past reviews or to showcase the product you are advertising, or you want to add on your landing page. You can also add a button here, a button link that's maybe a link that takes them to the add to cart or place order websites, or the main or your affiliate link where they can order and you get a commission off it. So yeah, there's so many things. Or you can also YouTube video, a video showing them about the affiliate products, and it's just like, okay, you don't need this. There's also a chart of create a chart showing them the amount of people that have bought the products, those that have bought, the people kind of like a chart shows them, okay, this shit is working, this stuff is working, and these are the amount of people that it didn't work for, and these are the reviews they drop why it didn't work for them, and so on. So this is like step one of creating a free landing page. Step two is using a free host. So see here, you can use this, but I think the most common one is this, and I've used it a couple of times for when I was in, like, you cannot afford, although you're basically looking for a free landing page. So basically you cannot afford, I'm pretty sure you cannot afford purchasing a host. So what I did here is I opened like 3 pages, then I used temp mail because I don't want to use my email for stuff like this. Like, this is what I did when I wanted to get a host. So you go to sign up, get started, free web hosting. This is the amount of what they give you. They give bandwidth. Then they like this space. You can only use one website, and basically they give you a free domain name, but it's just like a subdomain. But you cannot afford it. So this is the cost you pay for using this. So basically I come here, I use this temporary email address because I want, and I make sure I don't close this page, or else it will refresh the email address and you have to use another email address. So what I do here is, and I will not really recommend you to purchase trap. It's not like a bad review to webhost, but if you cross the limit you will really regret it. So if you want to purchase your hosting, you can use Namecheap and Bluehost, but for here, just stick with this. So free sign up. This is here. This is the reason why I will show you guys why I want to exist this. Why I'm using this. Let's use. As you can see, I've used this before, but it has expired, so it's not really much of a use. So type a password. Click sign up. So input it here. I guess I use this also for here. Okay, this wants to accept this. Okay, this got accepted, so I click save. You can just use the temporary. As you can see, if you check here, it will ask you for account activation, and you click activate account. So So right here you go to client area, you install, come like they give access to cPanel. So it's from the cPanel, from the cPanel where you will install WordPress, then install a landing page builder. Basically, if you're an affiliate marketer, you understand what I mean. There is a free domain. So say this is the subdomain I'm talking about. Click free domain, gives you access to it. Then set up the cPanel, set up the WordPress, install the landing page builder. You can use Elementor, bigger page builder, and set up the affiliate marketing landing page that you want to do. So this is like, I don't want to make this video too long. So if you don't really know how to set up cPanel, WordPress, landing page stuff using these videos, you can tell me. If not, that'll be our problem for another day. So I don't want to wait for this thing to take long. So this way I will end the video. These are the only two ways to get a free host. Another way, I don't know. These are the only two ways that I've been using before. That's one before. Yeah, that's it. Hope this video is useful for some people.